Hi PsycheTruth fam, my name is Sinah and welcome to this full body tension release yoga sequence. So whenever you're ready, just grab your water bottle, roll out your mat, and let's get started. If you're not in a place where you can do this video with me right now, please save it to your watch later and join me whenever you can. Alright yogis, so let's go ahead and get started in a comfortable sitting position. Just find your way to sitting on that ground. Maybe lift your glutes off of the mat so your sit bones are more rooted down into your mat. And once you find this stable position, take a deep breath in through your nose, sending your arms high to the sky. Exhale, bringing them down to heart center. And just setting the intention to be so kind to yourself throughout today's practice. Being gentle, knowing that if I'm doing an exercise that is too much for you, to just simply not do it out of kindness and love to your own body. Or if I'm doing a variation that is not really working for you and you want to deepen it, listening to your body and just being so kind to it. Allow this intention to sink into your heart. And whenever you're ready, open your eyes. Nice work. So take a deep breath in right here, hands heart center. Exhale, send your right hand behind your back, left hand across your right knee. Inhale, lengthen through your spine. Exhale, twist. Nice work. Inhale, lengthening through your spine. Exhale, twist. Coming in for a spinal twist right here. Keep breathing as you lengthen. Keep twisting as you exhale. Really rinsing that spine like a wet towel. Nice work. Slowly coming back to neutral. Hands come back to heart center. Now left hand goes behind you, right hand across your left knee. Inhale, lengthen through your spine. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. You got it. Being so kind to yourself right here. When the twist is enough, it's enough. And then slowly coming back to neutral. Nice work. All right, so go ahead and extend your left leg, coming into this one-legged butterfly. Place your right hand on the mat. Inhale, send your left hand above, coming in for a lateral stretch right here. Inhale, lengthen that left hand towards the opposite wall. Exhale, settle down into the stretch. Nice work. One more deep breath here. Excellent job. Coming back into center, placing your forearm on the outside of that leg, lifting your right arm high to the sky, and then bending over. And just stretching right here. Deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out. Now try to send your shoulders to the ceiling. Keep breathing right here. And when you're ready, come back to neutral. Nice work. Switching sides. So now bringing that left leg in and extending the right, coming into that one-legged butterfly. Placing your left hand on the mat, inhale, lengthen your right, and come over for a deep stretch. Trying to open your chest right here, and sending that right hand to the opposite wall. And slowly come all the way up. Send your right forearm to the leg, to the outside of that leg. Inhale, lengthen through your left hand, sending it above for a deep stretch right here. Inhale, breathe through your nose. Exhale, let everything go. Nice work. Keep breathing right here and try to open your chest, sending your shoulders to the ceiling. One more breath. And slowly come all the way up. Excellent job. Go ahead and open your left leg as well, not forcing anything too much, just opening into a straddle. Inhale, open through your chest. Exhale, start walking your hands forward. Coming into forward fold. Just finding stillness right here. Not over pushing yourself either. Being so kind to yourself, to your body. One more breath. And slowly walking your hands back in. Awesome work. Shake those knees and just coming into a tabletop position. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Drop your belly, open your chest, send your chin and your head up towards the sky. Exhale, hollow that belly, gaze comes down. Inhale for cow. Exhale for cat. Nice work. Keep moving right here. Add any gentle movements your body is asking for you to do. Maybe it's a little bit of a hip sway or some shoulder rolls. Whatever you need, honor it. Nice work. And then coming back into neutral. Inhale, sending your hips high to the sky, coming into a downward facing dog. Exhale, rolling to plank. Bending your knees, hips come down and then up. Keep rolling here. Excellent work. Last one. Inhale, drive your right foot in between your hands. Lift to crescent. Inhale right here. Exhale, open it to warrior one. Back foot comes to a 45-degree, hips are squared. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, opening to a warrior two. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, reverse warrior. Keep moving from this warrior two to reverse warrior variation. Nice work right here. From this warrior two, take a deep breath in. Exhale, square your hips, coming into one-legged Tadasana. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, drive that leg behind you, coming into that warrior three. Hold this warrior three, breathe. Inhale through your nose. Exhale, plant both of your hands to your mat, really opening through that left leg, coming into your standing splits. Maybe you stay right here, you grab a hold of your ankle as you pull your chest further in. Switch arms. Nice work here. Sending that left leg back. Right foot meets left, chaturanga. Inhale to upward. Exhale to out, downward. Awesome work here, you know the drill. Inhale, step that left foot in between your hands. Rising into crescent. Inhale, lengthen through your spine. Exhale, plant that back foot to a 45-degree angle, coming into warrior one. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, lengthen to opposite sides. Exhale, reverse warrior. Keep moving through this flow between warrior two and reverse warrior. Tune to your breath. Being so kind to your body right here. Nice work. Coming back into warrior two. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. And then slowly making your way to your one-legged Tadasana. Inhaling right here. Exhale, driving that right foot back into warrior three. Hold. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, planting your hands on your mat, coming into your standing splits. Just deepening that stretch, sending that right leg high. Maybe you grab a hold of your elbow with one hand, and then with the other. Nice work. Coming back into that plank. Left foot meets right. Chaturanga. Inhale to upward, feeling that flow, enjoying this flow. Exhale, downward facing dog. Fabulous job right here, everyone. All right. So from this downward facing dog, let's go ahead and step that right foot in between your hands, opening directly into a warrior two. Coming into a reverse warrior, and then placing both of your hands back on your mat, driving that leg to a three-legged dog. Now drop your elbows, swift through, coming down to your mat. Inhale right here. Lengthen that left leg behind, step it behind your hips. Turn over, and then lift your hips high. Breathe right here. Excellent work. Come right back down to your mat. Inhale to upward. Exhale to downward. Let's repeat this on the opposite side. Stepping that left foot in between your hands, opening directly into warrior two. Coming back into that reverse warrior, and directly into that three-legged dog. Dropping those elbows, swifting through, coming into upward. Come back down, lengthen that right leg behind, step it behind your hips, coming directly into that flip dog and hold. Nice work. Come back down to your mat. Inhale to upward dog. Exhale to downward dog. Start walking your feet all the way in to meet your hands. This is going to be a challenging pose, but we'll just be here for a little while. Inhale to upward to halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Bending your knees, keeping your feet parallel, sending your weight to your heels. Hovering your fingertips from your mat, bending those knees, sending your glutes down. Coming into chair pose. Breathe right here, in through your nose and out through your mouth. Can you send those glutes lower? Can you engage your core? Nice work, keep breathing. Sending those glutes a little bit lower. Yes, you can, stay with me. Last one. And lengthen high to the sky. And back down to heart center. Nice work. Slowly coming to kneeling down. Walking your hands in front. Then just dropping your forehead to the mat. Breathing right here in through your nose. And out through your mouth. Excellent work. Toning down your heart rate, settling down to this moment. Just observing all the energy you cultivated with me these last 15 minutes. Observing how strong and vital you are. And then just surrendering right here. Nice work. Option to pause the video and stay here for a while longer, and then join me for the closing. Or if you're with me, slowly wiggling your fingers, then your toes, and just walking your hands in, rolling yourself up. Coming into a comfortable seated position. Inhale, bringing your hands high towards the sky. Exhale, bringing them down to your heart, choosing to feel kindness for yourself and for others today. Bringing those hands up towards your lips, choosing to speak words of kindness for yourself and for others today. Bringing your hands to both of your eyes, choosing to see and witness kindness in the world today. Whenever you're ready, placing a warm smile on your face, bowing your head to your risen heart. And then lifting back up, removing your hands from your eyes. Together we say Namaste. Thank you for moving with me, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for moving with me. Please download our Yoga Plus app for further movement classes. If this class served you in any way, feel free to check out my Instagram account at Sinah for further movement and mindfulness content.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by PsycheTruth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by PsycheTruth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.